Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Sodium Minecraft 1.20 or later. It's actually really simple and easy. So the first thing what we need to do is open our Microsoft launcher and you want to open an instance of Minecraft 1.20. This is because it's going to download the 1.20 files that all mods can download and install onto. So once Microsoft 1.20 loads up, you can go ahead and quit the game because the files have been now installed. The next step is download Fabric so we can install our mods. And to do this, you need to go to your web browser and you want to go to the fabric.mcu.net website. From here, you want to click on the download here button and then you want to click on download for Windows. However, if you are on Mac or any platform, you want to use Universal Installer. So we are going to click on download for Windows and we are going to save the Fabric installer to our desktop. You will also need to install the Fabric API as many mods require this. So you want to click on the Fabric API link. This will take you to the CurseForge website. From here, we just need to click on the download button and then after a few seconds, the download should start. And again, we are going to go ahead and save the Fabric API to our desktop just as I did with the Fabric installer. And now if we go to Fabric installer and the Fabric API downloaded, you just need to go ahead and download the Sodium mod. And to do this, you want to open up your web browser and you want to go to the Sodium mod page on Mod-Rinth. This is going to tell you all about Sodium and what it can do, and it's really impressive. So to download Sodium, all you need to do is click on the version tab just at the very top and then you want to select the version of Sodium you want. So in this case, we want 1.20. From here, you want to click on the download button and then again we are going to download the mod. So we are going to download it to our desktop just as we did everything else. Now I've got everything downloaded, we just need to go ahead and install them. You want to right click on your Fabric installer and open it and it will be a little box and it will look like this. So to install Fabric, you can install on your client side or server side, or in this case we are going to store it on client. So you want to select the drop down menu and select your Minecraft version like 1.20. On the loaded version, you just want to use the latest version. You then want to make sure it's installed into the correct Minecraft location, which it is, and make sure create profile is ticked and click on install. After a few seconds, Fabric will install to Minecraft and then you want to click on OK. Once that's done, we can connect out of the Fabric installer. So now the Fabric installer has been installed. We just need to go ahead and install the Sodium mod and Fabric API. So to do this, you want to right click on your Windows icon or you want to select run command, and from here you just want to type in %app data just like this and then click on OK. Your file explorer should open. You should see your .minecraft installation at the top. You want to click into this and you will see lots of files. From here you want to click on new and then click on folder and you want to add a new folder called mods just like this, and then you click into the mods folder, and from here we just need to drag and drop the Fabric API Sodium mod into the mods folder just like this. This is where we are going to install all of your Fabric mods in the future. Download them and drag and drop them into the mods folder just like this. Once you've done that, you can exit out of your file explorer. We'll just need to go ahead and open Minecraft. So start using Minecraft without Fabric mods. We just need to open our installer again and then you want to click on the release drop down menu and you want to select the Fabric loader version. From here you just want to click on play, then click on I understand the risk and click on play. So once Minecraft loads up, you'll notice that it says the version number and it will also say modded in brackets below. If you click into the option settings and then click on video settings, you notice it has changed because you are now using the Sodium performance mode. Now if you want to change any of your video settings, I recommend changing the general settings and the quality settings only, but I recommend leaving the performance at advanced settings as they are by default unless you know what you are doing. In general, if you want more performance, you just want to turn all of the settings off or down, and if you want better visual quality, you want to turn them on or up. And once you are ready, you can go ahead and click on done and you can start playing Minecraft just as you normally would. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.